So here we have the Mini Countryman on a 60 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of it from there. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have the twin tailpipes. They are unique to the Coupe S variant of this car, which of course this is. We have reversing sensors as well. Plenty of boot space. We've also got 2 rear seats that will fold down to give you even more space again. And you can see through the middle of the car, we have that channel. You are able to connect certain accessories to that channel and then position them at any point in the car, all the way from the gear lever at the front to the rear seats. Cup holders would be one of those things, for example. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. But now that we've done a full circle, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. We have the rev counter, a digital readout for the speedometer, as you can see, and then beneath that, the total miles for this car, which are 69,358. You can change information displayed directly above that by pressing a button on the end of the indicator stalk with various bits of trip computer and fuel economy information. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have cruise control on the right-hand side, stereo and phone controls on the left-hand side, and then in the center, the main screen for the car, which as you can see includes satellite navigation. Really nice clear color display, very easy system to use. We can come back out to the home screen and access all of these other features. All the movement I am using or making on the screen is being done by using this dial. You can go back to the home screen from here, but this dial will rotate to select, and you can push it down to select things. It also moves to the left, to the right, up and down as well. So for example, if you wanted to listen to some music in this car, you would highlight either the radio and then push the dial down. And you can see there that we've got FM radio. We've also got AM and DAB as well. Or if you want to listen to your own music, we can highlight the CD multimedia option. And again, we have a CD player, of course, but we've also got the ability to plug in a USB device and auxiliary device as well. So plenty of ways to listen to your music in this car, and you can pair your phone under the telephone heading just there. Working our way down, we have the CD player, the main volume for the stereo, and then our climate control. You can adjust the temperature, the fan speed, and the direction the air is being distributed in. The air conditioning is on at the moment, so that button will turn it off, and of course back on again, or hit auto. The car will then take full control of the fan speed and the direction of the air to maintain the temperature that you've asked for. If you press auto again, you go back to whatever setting you had it on previously. Below that, we have a heated driver's seat and a heated passenger seat, both of which have 3 different heat settings each. We have our rear electric windows, our front electric windows, and deadlock, so you can lock and unlock the car doors from the outside. Beneath that, we then have the ability to turn off the traction control. We can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. The system is off when that light shows. You can put the car into sport mode. You can stop the rear windows being operated by children in the back of the car, or anyone in the back of the car for that matter. And we have front and rear fog lights just there as well. We then have the 6-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Glenbourne's. We'd love to hear from you soon.